Hi everyone. Today my paper pumpkin just arrived and I'm going to open it with you. This is the June 2020 box of sunshine, and you can tell it's a box of sunshine just by the cover. Isn't that cute? Alright, let's open this up. So the stamp this time is basic black, and here are the stamps. Let me put a little piece of paper here. I love this, the way this is written. Sunshine, smile, you are loved, sending, so sending sunshine, hello, a little something to brighten your day, a cute little sunshine, and some accents. So this is a stamp set. I'll hold it there for a second. Very cute. And here is the cover. Now this was inspired by our CEO Sarah, and she made it so that it would have a reusable box. And let's get inside and see that. And you're supposed to then send some sunshine to somebody after you've made the kit. You're supposed to use this box again. And so I'm going to carefully open this tissue because I'm going to use that tissue. In the past, Sarah's done some kits, and they always involve black, and they always involve pops of bright color. So I'm not surprised that her color is black and that her colors are bright. So let's take a look, here we go, at the cards. Oh, I love this background. I'm going to open that to show you a better view of that. Okay, so we have here 4 different card designs, and then you get to make 2 of each of the 4. So you're making 8 cards. This is your dimensionals, your adhesive. These are some adhesive backed sequins, very nice. Look at the envelopes. The detailing on this envelope is really pretty. Some gold foil. That's a really nice little envelope. Okay, and then here are some of the accents that are going to go on your cards. So some of them are going to get the lemon, the pineapple, the sunshine. Really cute. Oh, another thing she mentioned in a previous video when we were talking about this is that you're going to get, like, so you only need 2 of these pineapples to complete the cards. But she's given you, even though you only need 2, you're going to get, let's see, more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 sheets. So you have 3 extra pineapples. And you might think, what are you going to do with that? Well, they're great for making additional cards, but also you're meant to decorate, I don't know if you can see, you're meant to decorate your box. Here she's got a box all decorated, and then use that box. So she's created additional pineapples so that you can use them to wrap up things inside the box or to decorate the box itself. So these are some more pieces that go in the cards. You can't tell, but these are die cut. Let me see if I can pop one out. Oh, there's stickers actually. Sticker sheets that go on as some accents on the cards. You can see that black polka dot behind here. Okay, let's look at these card bases. One of them is stripes, gold foil, really pretty. Oh, here's some more sticker sheets. Now this one, she said, was specifically created for the box itself. This big sticker here is meant to cover the word paper pumpkin. So you're going to stick that right there, and you're going to tell the person, you can put the name of the person or the address of the person you're sending this to. So that's your label. And then here, these little stickers are to go just to decorate. So you've got all kinds of extras in this kit, which is really nice. Okay. These are more for your sentiments on your cards. Got those. And look at this fun watercolor technique. That is really fun. Look at how bright that is. I want to achieve that with regular watercolors. I'm gonna have to play around with this look in the coming days because I want to try that technique. So watch for videos on that. That's really pretty. Here's a gold sun. Some more pretty watercolors. And these are glue dots. So you've got some really pretty card bases, some really fun accents, and the cute little Sending Sunshine box. Here it is here. You got all your instructions, everything you need to send some sunshine, and stick one of the sunshine. Why can't I say that? Sunshine. Send some sunshine. And then you can use one of these cards to put in the box to talk about, you know, hi, I'm sending you some sunshine. So this is really a fun kit. As you know, I always get extra kits and normally sell them at my card buffet, but I don't have card buffet because we have this social distancing. So if you wish you had gotten the box of sunshine and you didn't get it, give me a call, or I'm sorry, not a call, an email. Give me an email and let me know if you would like this box, and I will send you one. I don't have a lot actually because I ordered less just because we're social distancing and I won't have the opportunity to sell them. So this is the June box of sunshine. Now sometimes they show us what's in the next kit, and sometimes there's a little flyer in here that talks about it, and there's not this time, but I have seen a little sneak peek and I put it up on my Facebook page. And the next month, the July kit is super cute. You're going to want to check it out. It makes luminaries. So you make 9 little tea light luminaries for the 4th of July, kind of like, I think, fireworks. I think that's what the cutout in the luminary looks like, fireworks. And then it also makes 9 cards. So you're going to get cards and envelopes plus luminaries. And I think it has like a summer fireflies, summer festivities, summer outdoor fun, fairs, Ferris wheels, that kind of thing. And it's really cute. I've got a little sneak peek picture of it up at my Facebook page, and I'll try and remember to throw one up on my blog as well. Beth's Paper Cuts on Facebook and Beth's Paper Cuts blog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want a box, let me know. Hey everyone, I'm popping back in because I wanted to show you what I collected to put in my box of sunshine. Now the idea behind the box of sunshine is, oops, I still got some cards in here, is to collect yellow things or things that have a sun theme to them. So you're going to gather some yellow and put in your tissue. And I found a few things I thought I'd share them with you in case you're looking for ideas. I found a box of lemon heads, really summery. And I've got coconut protein bars, which has a yellow look to it. I found some lemonade, some summertime lip balm. That's fun. You can put gum. I found some pineapple gum. That's really cute. And other yellow things you might have. Now, it depends on who you're giving this to. If you're going to send this to a young girl, she might like some summertime hair things, the yellow hair ties or things like that. Or a young boy might like, you can put yellow Play-Doh, putty, all kinds of things in here. Or some grown-ups might like the lip balm or a hand cream that's maybe yellow. I found yellow kazoos. I found yellow wafers. Just look for yellow things. This is a really big one. Mangoes, kind of a summertime feel. And you're going to load up your box with summertime fun. And then you're going to close it up and send it off. And decorate that box with the supplies in the kit. So that is what I came up with for my yellow box. Let me know what you came up with for your yellow box. Oh, I saw some happy stickers and like smiley faces, smiley face stress ball. Look for things that are yellow around you. I bet you can come up with all kinds of ideas. Bye.